జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 43rd శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ disclosing the essence of Upanishads to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying this, "O Arjuna, as I said, there are some activities prescribed by Vedas by which we will be getting mundane pleasures, mundane comforts and impermanent pleasures." So there are some people who always will be craving for that kind of fruits. Even after departure from the body also, they do not want any kind of eternal bliss. They do never want moksham. They always want some kind of pleasures, comforts and swargam like impermanent abodes. So what happens is, when they get all those fruits out of their performing those activities which are known as kamya karma, they enjoy those fruits. Again they will do some more activities, some more rituals. Again they will get some more fruits. Like this, they will be permanently stuck with these kind of kamya karmas, and they will be rotating, revolving in this cycle of birth and death and never comes out of these clutches. But you should not be like this. You should always be craving, you should always be longing for eternal bliss. Like this, Krishna Paramatma teaching to each and every one of us, having this Krishna Paramatma's Upadesam running in our thoughts. Let us now repeat the same words which were spoken by Krishna Paramatma. Kamatmanaha Svargaparaha Janma karma phalapradam kriya visesha bahulam bhogaisvarya gatim prati Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep doing your activities as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, and surrender to me alone unconditionally. Do not cry. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall be performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry any more. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Dharmaraju made Parikshit as the king of the kingdom. Also Dharmaraju made Vajra as the king of Madhura. Then Dharmaraju Visrujya Tatra Tat Sarvam, he started renunciating each and everything. Dharmaraju gave up all his garments. Dharmaraju gave up all his ornaments. Dharmaraju gave up all his decorations and comforts, and he brought his speech together with his manas, vacham, juhava, manasi. Then he brought his manas and joined with tat prana, itare chatam. He joined with his pranam. Then he brought his pranam and joined with apana udanas. Then he brought all of them and joined with samanavayu, which is also known as mrityu. Also Dharmaraju sent all the 5 elements of his body to their root places, original places. Then he joined the Prakriti Tattvam with Jiva Tattvam. Then he brought that Jiva Tattvam and joined with Brahma Tattvam. Chiravasa. After all this he did this sadhana. Dharmaraju now started wearing all the torn out clothes. Niraharo. He stopped taking food. Dharmaraju started maintaining the silence. Dharmaraju not at all making up his hair and anything. He just left everything to the nature. And Dharmaraju not at all craving, longing for anything. As if a ghost invoked into him, he is looking like that. Dharmaraju, and he is not dependent upon anyone now. He is looking like a deaf and dumb. He is not at all caring whatever any others speak about him. Then, after doing all this, Dharmaraju Udichim Pravivesasam, he started walking towards north. Then he started also meditating upon Hrudi Brahmaparam dhyayan. He started meditating upon Paramatma. He started making sure his mind is completely occupied with Parabrahma Dhyanam. And he is now walking towards the place where from he doesn't have to come back anymore. Along with him, Dharmaraju's brothers also started following Dharmaja. After all of them left, then Kali joined this earth. Kali joined this Bhumi. And also Kali started showing its effect on all the people on this earth. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Ghushyate yasya nagare Rangayatra dine dine Tamaham sirasa vande Rajanam Kulasekharam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena amarasatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 43rd sloka. Kamatmanaha Svargaparaha Janma Karma Phalapradam Kriya Visesha Bahulam Bhogaisvarya Gatim Prati. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.